If you haven't seen Rick's recipe videos, then you are really missing out.
All right, all right, all right. Okay, that's look good.
People in the indoor smoker community have been asking if those recipes are going to make it into a cookbook, and so that's what we've been working on. Over the past year, Rick has been showing off some of his own indoor smoker recipes and working to create new ones. And we also have recipes like Josh's turkey and Ken's smoked cocktails. So far, we've got classic recipes like brisket, T-bone steak, Jamaican jerk chicken, over-the-top chili, burgers, and smoked salmon. Rick's got a ton of great recipes, but we realized that we're missing your recipes. We know we've got lots of amazing cooks out there, and we've seen a ton of creative recipes in our Facebook group. So if you're interested in contributing a recipe, the link's gonna be down below. We've seen a lot of creativity in the smoker community, and we want to highlight you guys. We didn't want to make a Rick's recipe book. What we want to make is a community-driven guide to smoking great food indoors. If you're interested in contributing a recipe, make sure to check out the link down below. Otherwise, be sure to let us know what you think about all of this stuff, and we'll see you next time.